Imagine this, living life on your terms, never worrying about bills, always being one step ahead. But here's the kicker. This dream isn't reserved for some lucky few. It's waiting for anyone willing to make smart financial moves, starting right now. And guess what? Investing is one of those critical moves. But I get it. It feels like a high-stakes game with tons of rules, right? Well, by the end of this video, you'll understand everything you need to confidently start investing. You'll be ready to take the first steps on the path toward financial independence and living that life of wealth and freedom. Let's start with this. Why even bother investing? I mean, the thought of putting your hard-earned money into the stock market or real estate can feel risky. But here's something that might surprise you. Not investing can be even riskier. Have you ever thought about what inflation does to your money just sitting in a bank account? Each year, that money loses value, slowly, silently. It's like buying your favorite pizza, and every year the slices just keep shrinking. Investing isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about making your money work for you. Building wealth over time. Every dollar invested is a tiny worker, helping build the life you want. So let's break down exactly how to start doing that. Alright, so you know why investing matters, but where do you actually invest? Let's talk about the main types of investments. Picture these as different routes to the same destination, financial freedom. You just have to pick the one that feels right for you. But here's where it gets exciting. Not every investment is created equal. First, we have stocks. The piece of ownership in a company. When the company profits, so can you. Then there are bonds, which are more stable, but usually come with lower returns. Real estate is another great option if you're willing to commit for the long term. And then we have mutual funds and ETFs, which let you diversify and invest in many companies at once without buying individual stocks. Ever wondered why rich people talk about diversification? Spoiler, it's not just a fancy word. It's actually super smart. Each of these investment types has its own set of risks and rewards. Understanding them is key to making choices that match your personal goals and comfort level. So now, let's talk about actually getting started. It's easier than you might think, and you don't need thousands of dollars to begin. In fact, many investment apps today let you start with as little as $10. Yup, less than what you'd spend on that avocado toast everyone says is keeping you from being a millionaire. The first step is setting up an investment account. You can open a brokerage account with platforms like Robinhood or Fidelity, or if you want something more hands-off, consider a robo-advisor. Next, decide how much you can invest each month. Start small, but stay consistent. And here's the thing most people don't tell you. Timing the market is impossible, but there's a trick. It's called dollar cost averaging. Instead of trying to predict the highs and lows, you invest a fixed amount regularly, which helps you buy more when prices are low and less when they're high. It's simple but effective, and it helps you stay in the game without getting caught up in the daily market drama. Alright, so you're ready to start investing, but let's make sure you avoid some rookie mistakes that can be costly. First up, never put all your eggs in one basket. If you put all your money in a single stock, you're putting yourself at massive risk. Diversify. Remember Blockbuster? Exactly. Don't bet it all on one company. Another mistake? Reacting to every market fluctuation. Trust me, the market will go up and down. It's part of the process. But the biggest mistake is getting scared and selling everything when the market dips. Remember, investing is a long-term game, and staying in the market consistently is what pays off over time. And finally, don't make this mistake that's cost people millions. It's not having a clear goal. Before you start, ask yourself, what am I investing for? A house? Retirement? Financial freedom? Clear goals keep you focused and help you choose investments that align with what you're truly aiming for. Let's talk about the real magic behind investing, compounding. This is where your money makes money, and that money makes even more money. Over time, the growth becomes exponential, building wealth faster than just saving could ever do. Want to know what Einstein called the eighth wonder of the world? Compounding. Here's how it works. When you earn interest or dividends on your investment, reinvest that money instead of cashing it out. Over years, even decades, compounding can turn a small amount of money into a substantial fortune. The earlier you start, the more you can benefit from this incredible snowball effect. And remember, every day you wait is a day you miss out on potential growth. So there you have it. Investing isn't a mysterious game. It's a pathway to freedom built on simple principles that anyone can learn and apply. The best time to start? Yesterday. The next best time? today. Just think about where you could be in 10 years if you take the first step right now. If you're serious about building a wealthier lifestyle, check out my next video, 10 budget hacks that actually work for a wealthier lifestyle. It's packed with practical tips to help you save more so you can invest even more. Don't miss it, it's just one click away.